Brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making some dinner. We're gonna be making a yummy dinner recipe. I have some shrimp, salmon, yellow rice, and asparagus, and I'm just gonna put everything all together. So really quickly, per usual, what we're gonna do is just go through the list of ingredients that I have here, and every additional information that you guys might need is always in the description box below, so please check it out. So first things first, we have some salmon. I have my shrimp here. I haven't seasoned it yet. I've washed it already with lemon juice, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these seasonings right here to season it. I have garlic salt with parsley, all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, and some black pepper. And I'm also gonna baste everything with my Walkerwood jerk seasoning. Next, we have some yellow rice. This is the Goya yellow rice. I'm gonna use my butter for it. And I also have some asparagus right here that I'm gonna use my garlic and my butter for. So this is my minced garlic and then my butter. So I'm gonna be making some garlic butter asparagus. If you guys wanna see how everything comes together, then keep on watching this video. So to get things started, I'm gonna go ahead and just season everything. Just gonna be using a pinch of black pepper all over. I'm gonna follow up with some jerk seasoning. You just want to season everything lightly because you're going to go ahead and use the Walkerwood jerk seasoning that already has a whole bunch of flavors and seasonings combined already, so you do not want to make it salty. So you're literally just using a pinch of each of these seasonings. Then lastly, taking some garlic salt parsley. And then I could use my hand for this part just by itself, but I like using a glove for this, especially if I'm dealing with like any spicy or hot seasonings, then definitely. So you're basically just gonna combine all the seasonings that you just added onto your shrimp and your salmon all together. For salmon, if it's like thickly cut, especially the salmon fillets, then I like just adding some cuts like in my salmon just so I can get the seasonings all in there. Now I'm gonna go in with my Walkerwood Jamaican jerk seasoning. Once I've added my jerk seasoning, I'm gonna just go ahead and combine everything again. So I know this looks a little bit messy right now, but that's okay because we only used it to season it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put everything in the oven. I already have the oven preheating, so it's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I'm gonna do now is just transfer my shrimp and my salmon to individual baking dishes. So once I've transferred both the shrimp and the salmon to the baking dishes, what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of oil and just pour in the corners of each. Just a little bit of oil. Once the oven is fully preheated, I'm gonna go ahead and cover them with some aluminum foil and put them in for 30 minutes. So guys, it's been 30 minutes since the shrimp and salmon has been in the oven, so I just took them out. This is what it's looking like. As you can see, they have some liquid in the bottom. I'm gonna put them back in the oven uncovered, but I'm gonna only put it in the oven this time for 15 minutes. So guys, while the shrimp and salmon is back in the oven getting done, all I did was just cut my asparagus. What I did was just trim the ends off, and then I just cut the long stalks in half. I like my asparagus just smaller. This is just a preference, but you could leave them whole if you'd like. I have a frying pan that I'm gonna put some butter in and some garlic and get this asparagus going. First though, we're gonna wash them. Always wash your fruits, veggies, whatever you use from outside, be sure to wash them. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just gonna allow this to melt down. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of garlic. And we're gonna lightly saute everything. The next thing I'm gonna do is just add my asparagus in. Then I'm just gonna lightly season it with some garlic salt with parsley. And then just gonna combine all that seasoning that I just added in with the garlic and the butter. So the stove is currently on medium heat, and I'm just gonna leave this for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and just mix everything all around again. So now I'm about to start with the yellow rice. So I have 1 tablespoon of butter. I have 2.5 cups of water here going. And I'm just gonna put my butter in so it can melt. This is 1 pack of the yellow rice. It comes with rice and seasoning inside of it already, so I'm not gonna add no salt or nothing like that. All I'm gonna do is just add this to the water. Next, I'm just gonna stir everything all around. The flame is right now on medium to high, and then you wanna leave it like that until it starts drying. We're gonna turn it down. So it's been about 3 minutes for the asparagus. I like my asparagus to be a little bit crunchy, so I don't want it to get done all the way. So we're gonna give this about another 2 minutes, but what we're gonna do is just put the heat up to high. So at this point, the asparagus is done. It's lightly charred, just how I like it, still crispy. And we could go ahead and turn the stove off. So guys, this is the salmon all done, and that's the shrimp right there, all done. So guys, the rice is drying down, so now we could go ahead and stir everything all together. And we're actually going to turn the heat down to low. Now I'm just going to allow it to dry down a bit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and see how fluffy it is. So the rice is completely done. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's dried down. So now I can go ahead and turn the stove off. So that's how the finished yellow rice is looking, guys. So everything is complete. So now I'm about to plate everything and show you guys the final results. So here we have it, guys, the final plating for today's dinner. I'm so hungry. Like, every time I cook, I'm always so hungry at the end, and I can't wait to eat because this looks bomb. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, then definitely give me a thumbs up because, you know, this just looks so good. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to share this video with the people you love, like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.